Oh, hello. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about difference between cash and accrual basis in QuickBooks Online. So this is basically understanding cash versus accrual basis. So it's like accounting lesson for you. So so on the balance sheet, you have three accounts: accounts receivable, inventory asset, and accounts payable. So on accrual basis, you will see accounts receivable, inventory asset, accounts payable. But if you run the cash basis, you will not see balance on these three accounts. So the reason being, your accounts receivable, you invoice and it creates accounts receivable balance. And the moment it creates accounts receivable balance, on the P&L side, you will see the income on accrual basis. But if you switch to cash basis, you will not see income on the income statement and you will not see accounts receivable balance on the balance sheet. The reason being, where you invoiced it, that's fine, but you haven't received the cash yet. No money at the bank yet. Okay, same thing with inventory asset. You bought inventory, let's say even $100,000, uh, and you haven't used it yet, so it's sitting there. Same thing, accounts payable is the reverse, is the other side of accounts receivable. You have created bills, but you haven't paid that bill, so the cash is not out yet. Okay, so those three accounts makes difference on cash versus accrual basis. There may be some other types, but basically these three. Uh, so uh, so leave a comment if you have any questions, and in a minute I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and go over what we're talking here today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online now. So I'm on QuickBooks Online now. So if you run the reports, let's run the balance report. And let's say this is the accrual basis. So in here you will see accounts receivable balance right here and inventory asset balance. And on the liability side, you will see accounts payable, right? Okay. But if you switch this to cash and run the report, you will not see anything on the accounts receivable balance. And same thing with the inventory asset, uh, you know, so you don't even see it here. And on the same thing with the accounts payable one, you don't see it. So now you know the difference between accounts payable. So how about on the P&L side, what happens? Okay, for that, I'll give you some example. Okay, so let's say you created some invoice. Let's just create one invoice in here. Okay, let's just create one invoice and just your regular invoice, no big deal. All right, let's just say, all right, you billed to City of Los Angeles and some product. Okay, and let's say this is just to make it big, 10,000. Although I don't have any stock in there. Okay, so now you can just put any amount. Well, I can just do the whatever stock I have. Just a second here. One 150. Let's say 150. Okay, and change the rate to, let's say, 10,000. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, let's do 1,000. Okay, so you bill like $150,000. And I'm gonna save and close, see $150,000. So you can just imagine what will happen once we save this invoice. Okay, so you can guess. You'll see the revenue for the 150 on accrual basis, but nothing on cash basis. Okay, let's just do 4/2, today's date here. That's the day. This is the day I'm making this video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to the reports and then run the profit and loss. Okay, and just do today's date only. Okay, I got the today's date. All right, and run the report. So you will see the $150,000. You know, same thing will happen if you buy inventory on using a vendor bill. Same thing will happen here, but you won't see the cost of goods sold because you haven't invoiced it. Okay, same thing with accounts payable. So now if we switch it to cash, what will happen? Switch to cash. So there's nothing there, see? So that's the difference. Accrual, you see the sales, you invoiced it, the customer hasn't paid it. The moment the customer pays it, then on cash basis, you will see the income. See right here. Now you know the difference between cash and accrual basis in QuickBooks Online, and it's basically the accounting thing. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope this is helpful. Bye.